Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcia, and on today's video I have three beautiful thrift flips for you. These are beautiful transformations and I can't wait for you to see them, so let's get crafting. For project one, I have this little wooden box. It's almost like a little mini bread box. It opens in the front and the little flap slides back, and it has a little cubby hole in there. I thought I'd go in with two coats of the Waverly chalk paint and the color moss. This is a beautiful like sage green color. It looks very vintage when you add the dark wax, which we're going to do in a later step. So I thought since I had gotten so many new subscribers that I would kind of like introduce myself and tell you guys a little bit about myself. So, of course, my name is Marcia, and I started this channel because all my children have pretty much grown up. I've been a stay-at-home mom for many years. My youngest actually just turned 18, and I actually recently went back to work 3 weeks ago, and I'm loving it. I've got like a remote job from home, a customer service job, and like I said, I'm really enjoying it. But I've been married for 27 years. My children are 26, 22, and 18. And I do, of course, have my little fur baby, Cooper. You've guys seen him a couple of times. He's my German Shepherd. And of course, he's my shadow and follows me everywhere. After the paint was dry, I did go in and give this a light sanding around the edges just to bring back some of that wood tone. So other than being a stay-at-home mom, I love to craft, and that's one of the reasons I started the YouTube channel because I love to share my ideas with people and my projects and my um, thrift flips and things like that. Now here I'm going in with that dark wax. This is the DIY dark wax, and I'm just applying it with my paintbrush here, and I'm just wiping it back with a blue shop towel until I get that look that I want. And here's how this little box turned out. It's so cute. It was a simple little upcycle. This was actually given to me by a sweet friend that's cleaning out her shed, and I just loved the way it turned out. You guys let me know what you think. For project two, I have this little Dollar Tree frame. I love picking these up when I do see them at the Dollar Tree because they're only $1.25, and you can do so many things with these. I'm going to go in with my Waverly chalk paint in the color Snow White and give it two coats. After all my paint is dry, I'm going to go in and give it a light sanding just to pull back some of that black. Once I got the distressing just the way I like, I'm going in with clear wax. This is the Dixie Belle's clear wax. Now for the inside of my frame, I decided to use some artwork from a calendar that I picked up at the Goodwill bins. This cute little calendar, it is Heart and Home. I don't remember what year it was from, but I found a cute little bird with a birdhouse in there, and I've got the glass here, and I'm just going to trace around it and cut out my image. Now, once I went to add this into the frame with the glass, somehow I broke the glass. I guess I'm stronger than I realize sometimes. So I went to plan B and I went over the top of this little artwork with my Mod Podge, just kind of going back and forth and across cross patch formation to make it look like an oil painting. I love all the bright colors that's in this little piece of artwork from this calendar. You guys let me know, have you ever used calendars for artwork? I love finding old calendars and getting the artwork out of it because they're practically free at the bins. And here's how this little picture turned out. Sorry. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. It's so sweet for spring. For project 3, I have this wooden shelf. This is another little free item from my friend Kathy that is cleaning out her shed. And to start with, I'm going to go in and give it just one coat of Waverly chalk paint in the color ink. Once that black paint had dried, I did take it outside and give it a coat. I think I actually gave it 2 coats of clear matte spray. I brought it back inside and now I'm going in with it's like 1.5 coats of Waverly chalk paint in the color Fern. This seems it's coming off on camera like a really bright color, but once I add the aging wax, it really tones it down a lot. And you guys, I hate painting inside of little cubbies like that. What about you guys? Okay, and before we seal this project, I am going to go in and give it a sanding. I was hoping to bring back some of the black, and that's why I used that black as my primer, but it kind of took it down to the wood grain in most places. I did get a tiny bit of the black, but not as much as I was hoping for. Now to seal this little shelf and to give it an aged look, I am going in with the DIY dark wax and I'm just using a blue shop towel to apply that and just wiping it away until I get that look that I'm looking for. And here's how this one turned out. I just love the screen. It's so pretty. I just got it styled with some of my little mini things. I've still got room on that middle shelf to add something. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Well, that's all the projects I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please consider liking and subscribing. And please leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite project was. And come back next week for more projects. I'll see you next time. Bye.